control the light from the home screen, press the light indicator button. You can turn the light on or off using the button in the top left-hand corner. You can increase and decrease the brightness of the light by using the plus or the minus button on the screen. You can also press the numbers on the screen to manually enter the brightness level you wish to achieve. To return to the home screen, simply press Main. The SmartAir Fan Control allows you to control your fans either manually or automatically. To navigate to the fan settings, press Fan, then toggle between manual and auto. To adjust the settings, press Set, and tap on the setting you wish to adjust. Simply enter the new setting that you wish to enter, press Enter, and move to the next. Once you have your settings set the way you'd like, press Page 2 and adjust your settings accordingly. You can navigate between Celsius and Fahrenheit, as well as enable auto mode for both temperature and humidity. You can also enable a mode that allows you to run the fan at minimum speed when temperature is below its minimum setting. To return, press Page 1 or navigate back to Fan to the main setting. From there, you can press the main page and return home. To control your SmartAir Fan Control in manual mode, select the fan button in the bottom left-hand corner, then select your desired rotation, either forward or reverse. Now toggle out of automatic mode and into manual mode, and enter your desired fan speed. This is in percentage. You can also increase or decrease the speed of the fan using the plus or minus buttons down the right-hand side of the control. The fan is pre-programmed to slowly ramp up or down to speed. At any time, you can hit the run button to stop the fan, and the fan will slowly ramp down. Press the main button on the bottom of the control to return to the home screen. The SmartAir Fan Control also provides real-time analytics. Simply touch the data button at the bottom of the screen to see exactly what your fan is doing at this particular point in time. To return, press the main button on the bottom corner. Should you wish to switch the rotation of your fan, simply touch the fan button, then the forward or reverse button. The words and colors will change to indicate which direction your fan is spinning.